say about from which part? Tell a pussy we no run witchcraft. Like Chinese case so the clip lang. And we are jing bang. Da 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 da. I say about from which part? Tell a pussy we no run witchcraft. Overdose, big up yourself. I still celebrate my birthday. Yo, God no. He's the Warren. Wanna hear about me? Tell me I got Chris Brown. You see me have money? Wanna give me money for got Chris Brown? Eh? So no wicked. Big up on yourself and big up everybody who tell me happy birthday yesterday. You don't know. I respect the whole of you because you never have to look upon me. You give me a look upon. So, I have to look back upon you and tell you say thanks. Because you don't know. And every day you get to live for 45. Jungle my born and grow. And not for our friend them, they all live for come to that age of them dead young. See? So you don't know. I'm grateful. One time gone when me hear some people are 40 was all. And now we pass 40 and counting. See? The age you love, big up yourself. But hear this now. There's power go on. Come in my yard a while ago and say me a come on live. See? Because 2 years ago was my birthday, I never talk about it. Now, I see a chef come on the internet or TikTok or where you want come on, but I see it over Instagram. What I do for my birthday, my youth them go for dinner. My children them went to dinner. You see me? Baba Biggs, big up. Rafa, big up. Yeah, a chef from down one of them hotel there. Come on, pan the internet and I say the people them will come on day pass. Them must stop come over the when time them come on the resort them. People all bring all some big plate and some something. Go hard on the people them. And it never work out good for him, you know, because the comments them a kill him. Them a beat him. Me the man got a resort couple times well. See? I got a resort couple times well, and I tell you this. When I go to a resort, right? The amount of food where you see, you don't get a chance to even hungry. And first thing, all who work there, nobody can take over home the food. Nobody can take home the food who work at a resort. The people who work there, they want the food because them see too much of it. That's why you have so much chef they down there. And they're tired of them want another food. Them eat chicken and fish and oxtail and shrimp. Them just, more time is all a patty them want. See? Remember, we as Jamaican, anywhere we go, we have to left with something. Me understand him frustration, you know. Me understand him frustration. But come on. People them pay them $12,000. At $12,000 them pay how much them want to pay for the day pass. Them have to get them money's worth. And more than them money's worth. Them have to live them best life because them there for a couple of hours. Member says the only thing them can do, screechy in a plate. Have some file paper, wrap up, put in a them bag. You understand? So, why them a beat him? Them a beat him because he must say him give one of them 8 chicken or 4 of them, 8 chicken. Come on, brother. The chicken did go waste. Remember them need it and them have for them family when need it. Because how often people are can't able to spend $12,000. It's not everybody. Queen Boss Nikki big up. And not everybody wanna be, and not everybody can afford to find $12,000 to go up on a resort. It's not everybody. When me go up on the resort, them no care if you full up the plate so you nah go can't eat it off. You nah go can't eat it off. So when people when are used to a resort get a like 1 half day, because a day is not full day, you get a 1 half day like about 5 hours. How much things you feel can happen? How much things you think can happen? Brother, all if I did 10 chicken them I get. Remember not every day you see them people there. All if I 10 chicken. All if I 20 chicken you have to cut up give them because remember you not see them tomorrow. You not see them next week, you not see them next month. I know the same set of people them here buck up all the while. So you have to load them and make them just go and do them thing. You have to just laugh it off. Laugh it off. Me know them not gonna get no tip. Me know you're not gonna get no tip from them, but come on. Think about it. The food I got dash way. Right? Because watch this, you go up on the resort. Lunch is breakfast is ready at 7. Right? Breakfast is ready at 7. Lunch is ready at 12. Dinner is ready at 7. You don't get a chance if you're hungry. And then right during the course of those time, you go by the beach and there's hot dogs there, there's jerk chicken there, there's this there, there's that there. You have room service in your room. You have all type of thing. No care what you say. So if the people them come, me know say look away because you say what them people are most about. Come on, brother. $12,000 and them say alright. So for instance a call center say we have a work there and we are go up on the place for half day. We are go down a Moon Palace. Then if me go a Moon Palace, me have to carry on and full up that of food. Me have to go full up. When me a draw out that I leave out there, what you say to me, man? Me have to carry all a little igloo in there and try full it up a beer juice. Come on, where could we now, man? Where could we? Zine? Because right now, him not even know say. Him not even know say. You see that plate the way him show, an idea you just give the rest of people them where I come spend for the day pass. Them I go bring that big something there too. So you got tired. I touch the chicken, you got cut up that time here. And you know like you can't call nobody. You can't call nobody. The people them pay for it. And not thief them a thief it. So that big bowl the way you show away. An idea you give the people them. You give the people them idea. Because I'm definitely going to take my big plate down there the next time. So, I hope you there. Depend, because which one of you tell me there. We don't know which part you're there. Because you're not telling where you're there. We don't know which part you're there, you know. But try no say. The big bowl them, the big container them will be coming. Because when you see that the girl they bring in her big bag. And you think a towel and this and that in there. Fully salt. We have to carry up things in that. I want you. Big up all like town girl them go down and watch it. On the weekend them or the day past them. Big up on yourself. Make sure you leave back with something. Full up on a bag of things. I want to know. Full up on a bag of things. One time I went to Negrilla Rio, buffet style, and my friend did follow me, and a 7 plate him alone take up. Yeah man, but him can't eat 7 plate. Nobody can eat 7 plate of food. What I'm to know, people remember the thing, man. Remember the thing. Me can't tell you this. Me tell people this all the while. The people them must say them craving, bring them on a resort. Cause I remember when we look at them always, I say, when people crave not collect them off because them name too much. Remember food this. You can't vex when you see people eat food. Because in the days I see people fight over food. I don't know if people still doing it now. But these days, trust me, don't you ever wall out. You are the enemy of your feed. Feed your enemy. When them say make your enemy be your footstool, full your enemy belly. Because you never ever see a man or a woman or a child when them sick eating. Not even water them want to put in their mouth. Not even a sweetie they don't want to go in their mouths. My grandfather, them used to tell me, say me crave him. Him crave him. And my grandfather said, love him. And when him sick, him can't eat. Remember, my grandfather teach me that years ago when me a little baby, little pitney, 10, 11-year-old, grandfather said, love him. And when you're sick, you cannot eat. You never see a sick man eat yet. Them have to beg him to eat something. Them have to force the woman to eat something. So no whole food against nobody. If you cook and people eat out the food, yeah man, a good thing. That means it tastes nice. That means it tastes nice. So remember, say Jesus feed the multitude, you know. With 3 loaves of bread and 5 fish, you know. The AJ what go on? Remember, you know, 3 fish and 5 loaves of bread, you know. So Jesus feed the multitude, you know. He asks how him do it. Now feed them, man. I remember people is still ungrateful because them say Jesus turned the water into wine, and them must say any Jesus should have give them. Where am I go with wine? I see them should have get and Campari a special, remember. One little time you see me come on, if you're glad to see me come on in the night, you talk about you're glad to you first you see me in the night. So me I tell you no wicked and stay. So me I tell you about you know wicked and stay bad. Yeah, people don't know a night I'm come on and say me I go on a look now stay along with you no car bad mind carry run on by me thing. Me I come off. Cause you used to mean that when time you're there walk. Now you're there woman spread off. Your bad mind. But it's alright. Now while you thing good man. Yeah people. Remember say some people reach out to me and say they want to give Gully Bop a thing, you know. But me not no number for Gully Bop. Me don't know which part Gully Bop there. I'm not gonna take the people the money and have it to drive up and down. So me I look for Gully Bop. I remember as bad as thing be, you know, I can't bear my once. Now I mean nobody come say them give Richie feelings, them money and all know Gully Bop will get it. You see me? Now I mean nobody come say that. I watch this now. I watch a little thing where I go on the internet with the pastor. We carry Gully Bop around a Dana place. Pastor, I don't know you, but do me a favor. Don't come on back on the internet, come talk nothing more about the situation here. The more you talk, the more people have you up and hate you. Them not like you. And them a draw away from the church more when you talk. You understand? Because through the video go out and you style Dana, the people them say, and them alone will style Dana, not you. Because you're supposed to be a man of God. And when you're a man of God, you must not dwell into contention. Right? You must not dwell into contention if you're a man of God. And right now, you sound cantankerous every time you talk. Because you do a video yesterday again, and I see one video where you talk about Shana Chin I look money off a Gully Bop. All them something they be a contention, them something they way. If he's a man of God and you deal with the Lord and bless and sanctify and hallelujah, shakamala lakala and all of them something there. You have to do the right thing. You're not supposed to be ignorant and move boisterous and go on some way. And that's what you're supposed to do. Because other Christians up on the internet and see you are going so. It's like you are bringing them down. And remember say people don't move far from the church every day. So when you come on and you are cuss anti-Dana and I do them thing there. And remember say this is not a trick, this is not a knock at you, you know. This is just telling you say better just cool off and go and do the Lord work. Cause it look like say you want the money for Gully Bop. It just look like say boy. Cause my auntie Dana take away herself and say she don't want the money for Bop. And give out your number. Remember Dana put out a video make we know where I go on, you know. Cause you did not have a platform to make we know where I go on. So when you go to man come out now and do video, them have you as a thieving pastor. Because you say use a pastor every minute, you say bless the soul and bless this and bless that. And that's why the people now say that bless me. They must say bless me, baptize me cocky. You love the ride and I like jalopy. You see me? So that bless me the way I say every time you say two words, the people them nah believe you. You understand? Skilly Bang bless me, baptize me cocky, them a deal it. Them nah did here bless me. You understand? So what me I say to you is, if they get somebody else to deal with Gully Bop thing, people want help Gully Bop, but oh you come out, you now come out, bless and sanctify. You know, it now come from a good place. Like to me, it now come from a good place. So when you say everybody in the music know you, and it's like you just a big up yourself. It's like a big up yourself. Cause that me I get from this when me see it. It's like a yourself you big up. It's like the goal is to the goal was to help Gully Bop. And it come like the goal turn into people for know me. People for know me. So it's like it's a get to know me thing I go and know each time I do a video. And me name Pastor Ray and at the time when I do the video and it's like yeah yourself you talk but me not hear about Bop again, you see me? So all of me I say Pastor, I know you're gonna see this still, you know. But at the truth, everybody else a bash you and a cuss you. So me as a man now bash you, I just tell you say better not do no more video. I explain yourself. Because when I go out first, that is what them I work with. It's like you can't come clear up nothing again because you done show with one part of you already and it come off wrong. Because you go bash Dana. And there will be no bashing of Dana around here. Because we see what Dana do boy. You understand? We saw what Dana did. We saw what Dana did. And still doing. She have the name bad pudding. She dey on TV till all you make Dana gone in a church, Dana gone in a studio gone do song. Everybody come a 99. Dana this, Dana that, Dana time, Dana yard. Dana have song. And you make Dana gone in a studio gone do song, you know. You cause that in a pastor. Can we get everything else already alright with it, you know? We never ready for that song from Dana, you know. We never ready for this, you know. How you make Dana go do song now, you know. Dana yard, 99. Dana this, Dana that. And you call this pan we in a pastor. And I like that, man. Man, I love that. You do the wrong thing, pastor. Man, I like that. Or shall not lead into contention. Be a contention I go on. See? And people, anybody, what go on girl boss, anybody want help Gully Bop. We know say Gully Bop do some more heap of things wherein it never look good on the internet when we see it. Because we see him disrespect a lot of people. And if you notice, there's two sides to the coin. Gully Bop get 3 kids. Him daughter come out and beat him. She said dead him for dead. While him son come out and say him father need help my father. Whoa. Him son come out and cry for help him and him daughter say him for dead. And him daughter have some harsh comment where she throw towards Shana Chin. See? So 2 kids this we see come out. One I say good and one I say bad. So Gully Bop wasn't all that bad. Him never take care of she, but him son said something different. You understand? Because remember, you know, like Sancho the Hourglass, so are the days of our life. Remember we watched this Gully Bop saga for years, you know. We watch when Gully Bop go from the gully to the money, you know, from rags to riches to back to rags, you know, to gully, you know. Seeing? Gully Bop get opportunity like, whoa, nobody never get so much opportunity. And we see this. This was 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017. All of this play out. Gully Bop get 4 years. Seeing? And looking at the video, when I look on Gully Bop, his mouth look lean and, you know, him look really sick. I remember this in people, I gotta tell you now again, sickness is not, nobody no better than sickness. Nobody's better than sickness. And when I see Shana Chin video where Shana Chin come on and I cry out, help him and a ball him, then I look and I say, Amari. I remember say, no found never know say Gully Bop have Boston. Him never have sex with none of them girl. Yeah. Him just still running it. Gully Bop was a movie where they go on. Him couldn't fuck Shana Chin. Suck out her tongue couple times. Because we see that them could have kissed for Jamaica. Everybody where Gully Bop talk to him couldn't fuck them. Him just a be a kiss him a kiss them. Be a kiss. Man just a kiss. Shana Chin a kiss him. Amari a kiss him. One day that woman they put out him clothes in a one big black garbage bag a New York did a kiss him. A be a people a kiss him. One next girl run a one road did a kiss him. A be a girl a kiss him. That's why I'm saying every girl want to walk off for him for true and never did lie. But the only thing him would never did a work. Because you don't know him have earner. But Amari did come and say she came to Jamaica for Bop. Because the whole of them interviewed her on the TV. I came to Jamaica for Bop. Gully Bop is why I come to Jamaica. And now Amari goes up and she did all a ball like water for him and said, Bop, I need you, Bop. I'm ball over Bop. Oh, Bop. I'm ball over Bop. And she ball over Bop. Now Amari goes up and get her own hype. You the brother you say a lie. Somebody tell him say a lie, me I tell you, man. Somebody tell a brother you say a lie, me I tell. Because if you Google it right now, just go up on YouTube and Google it. You see the whole of the video them not come off. Remember Amari goes up and ball and say, ooh, Bop, I need you, Bop. Bop, help me, Bop. I remember Bop come on and cuss her. So that's why she goes up and I read Chip now. When I read Chip, she goes to Bam and make her outburst at Dana. And start talking about a thing you don't know anything for make her marry. Head Chip, she gonna come out and she gonna come for anybody. And remember say, long time I tell her say I'm married and I eat that, you know. Laugh and go on, but I'm married and I eat that. I'm married know for bring attention to herself. See? I remember there was an instance where Shana Chin and Gully Bop war up our uptown house. This was 2016 or 17. One of them time there. Gully Bop and Chin war up our house. And Chin run and say, people see it there? He want to kill me. He want to run me down people. He want this and he want that. And when they look the whole of Gully Bop face, Shana Chin give him a padlock in his face. I'm saying I have to kill Shana Chin. Pay blood I run out of Gully Bop face. Shana Chin bust up him face. All of them something there on the internet. You see me? So again, we see everything. I remember Jamaica is a movie series. Easy Mr. Pierce, big up. Seeing everything upon the internet. So when me go to Bama attack, we don't make it look like say me make up a story. All of this is there. Seeing? All of this is there. So remember when you go to Bama and hear me attack, don't bother, I might say it and it sound like joke, but all of this is there. Seeing? Gully Bop did get half of a fixing mouth. Free at all cost. And Gully Bop said no, because he might not can DJ the same way if him fix him mouth. And the doctor them say, okay, let me go fix him mouth for free. And Gully Bop leave that alone. Remember say, a Shana Chin carry Gully Bop go cut the bosun. Shana Chin carry Gully Bop go cut the bosun. Because Gully Bop did have a big bosun. Shana Chin carry him go cut that bosun. You understand? So, we have to just remember, enough people get enough opportunity. Jody, why that Mr. Richard jump out, so? Or it just jump out and attack me, so? Attack me. Zane, remember, everybody know about veneers and everybody know about dentures and everybody know about braces. Gully Bop they go get all of them there for free. Remember say Gully Bop did there in New York and live with a woman. And Gully Bop style the woman. And when Gully Bop style the woman put out Gully Bop in a New York with a black scandal bag. So everybody try with him. Gully Bop get opportunity where them woman here did actually have feelings for him. Because the last woman we married him, remember Gully Bop did all married, you know. Remember a woman in New York married Gully Bop, you know. Gully Bop beat up the woman. You hear me say? And every little thing, he used to come on and cuss and go on. Hey, this and that. Hey, boy, some boy every phone just shine upon him. Until it does get worse. It's a sad situation. And this is not to drag Gully Bop. This is not to drag Gully Bop. This for just cause the show to say life have a way of humbling you. Because the same person that you pass up the road, you're going to pass this person, come back down. You understand? You have to know what you are doing. Life have a way out to humble you. It will humble you. And humble you right back down to the freaking ground. You hear me say? So I just tell you no. Careful. Treat people good. You hear me say? If you're not going to give people something from a good place, don't give them, keep your things, because enough people have give people things just to go back and talk about it. Guess who called me and I begged me $50 the other day? Now the boy Richie feelings. They're on internet and they're on social media, and I him that I called me and begged me $50. So it's like, maybe I get the $50 and I did want the $50 and you go Sabama and come now. I tell everybody say, Richie feelings, beg you $50. Richie feelings, I show me have one little piece of name. So you want to spread it now for everybody, so you give me $50. So it never did come from a good place. Right? And that's why enough time when time things happen to some people, I must something them do. Or I must something some of them family do or something. So when I drop off I just drop on shoulder, boof. You see me? Why you think me always put myself in a scenarios when time me attack? Because remember, you know, if you follow the internet, I pay rich people upon it, you know. Pay rich people. Remember say, our ATM at Portmore, the Scotia, at Portmore Pines. Remember say, I go there the other day. And as me go in there, one woman there in there like she a draw money. She no know say, Richie feelings mark her face and she not mark my face. She go from Portmore, Scotia's Pines to Portmore Pines Island Grill. At them place that she beg. Right? First time she win me because she say, hi, good evening. You know, say I look something. Me I look food for care for me youth them and think you never see me on TV. My granny did burn up in a fire. Remember about 10 years the woman granny did, you know. Yeah man, it up on the TV man. My granny did burn up in a fire, and you know if you have any clothes and if you have anything for the pit of them. Remember about 4 times I see the woman. After she win me the first time and she have come with the same story. So me want to know if every week your granny have burn up in a fire. Every week your granny have burn up in a fire, you know. Every week. So I know she go sabam now. I wish holiday gone one day. One of them holiday there. Remember, some soldier come on a ratty and a jar money because I come let them get paid. And a jar money. And the whole of them here one time just say, oh, me was bun down murder, whoa, yambal. And every one of them give her money, but 6 soldiers in up on the ratty, you know, give her money. You see, she goes up and see me, but she has served me, said, don't you do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. I just make you know from now, not do it. You're not going to kill your granny every week in a fire. And me, I keep the night and the setup and the funeral every week. You're not going to do it. I just tell her from now, you're not going to do it. You're not going to do it. And she goes to my hold long hard until the next man say, Achoo woman, you have to stand up in there because you the woman do. You go in at the ATM and she in there like she a draw money. And I play upon your conscience. She a play upon your conscience, but she don't know say conscience said this year we have to be the winner. And conscience said do something. And conscience say, girl, if you touch me no like you. If you and conscience say, keep bad mind out of me thought. And conscience say the whole of that. So remember, she now mark my face. All me I tell the woman mark my face, she now mark my face. All me I tell her mark my face. You hear me say, man? You have a next one. I don't know where she come from. I remember me mark every beggar face from me give my thing. Me mark the whole on the face. So I want to try mark my one. That me I tell you no. Remember now, you know, she have a baby. She have a baby. Nice baby, you know. I'm going to go to see her mother's a KFC, a mall. When I see her mother's a mall now, I say, she said to me, say, hi sir, good night. I say, good night. She say, you know, say, them day here and I look like food for my daughter. Look a girl asleep and I sleep a kill a little girl. I look like food for my daughter. I say, yeah, where you come from? And she tell me somewhere she come from up Papi in Tavern, one of them places she come from. So me now, I love to take out my phone because I say I look like a help for her now. Help me say I look for her now. She said, no, I don't want it on the phone. I don't want it on the phone. So I say, oh, you know what? Dep on the phone and you want help. And that help me I give for you. I get help for you. The girl I want popular girl. So she goes to man left town come a Portmore. Remember me mark her face. When me look, me see her at Constant Spring Road in the rain one day with the little girl and me I say, yo, we see the them where you need her because the girl have to lose a pitney here. I remember in time you see her, she always clean her ear, always do. Her ear always do. And me tell her, my face, you talk about give and forget, you feel like me I try adapt nobody pitney. Some big tough man or some tough girl, you feel like me I come adapt them. After me have my sister and my niece them. How much people where we can get things. Remember you have another one now. She have something on her head on the right at Trafalgar Road. I beg. As early as the morning is, she there at Trafalgar Road, I beg. If that woman there ever thought sell a bag of water or a case of water, remember she not have hand because everybody who tired to give her would have buy the water from her. They would have buy the case. Because we them not understand. God help those who help themselves. When you sit down and talk about God will provide. God will provide my blood clot. If I'm me not call God, it's not going to work. You have energy God. You have grown God. You have prodigal son. You have Gaddy. You have all of them God there. You have all of them God there. So nobody come talk about God will provide and I feel like I can bank for me. You sit down every day right there so. Every day, you know. Every day where God send you there right there so. And you are walk on a blood clot. Beg. I stretch out your hand. And your hand you stretch out. You dirty blood clot. You want to feel like say I am man I eat an oxtail off of me. Fuck you. Remember me know the whole of you know. Every beggar me know. Once me go no one time, you just know say I eat that for me I know. Forgot all bro God you have. Don't come call me no God. Remember say you have a next one again. She the over Portmore Mall. Remember say she catch me one time too. I one thing in me I give her, you know. But try remember say at your birthday when I get it that time there. And your last birthday that year. Remember say she a walk with a prescription. You are 30 years now that woman there walk with a prescription. 30 years the woman a walk with a prescription. Man, I what they on that prescription there so. Because you know once you see them with the prescription and them tell you about baby, you have a dip in your pocket. Sometimes a 5 bills come up, sometimes all a grand. And you say, John, a baby and we love kids and things, so all this. Are the girl regular habit? Are the girl regular style? Sir, I could have one black girl, remember me know her. I remember the whole of them people are fat and rosy. The whole of them people are fat and rosy. You hear me say? Okay. You can't stay there. Me have to wonder if that girl have carry med, the amount of blood clot prescription where she have. You hear me say, man? Yeah, man, the chopper them bad, man. And next thing, none of them youth here now, they don't want any work. They don't want no work. All you hear enough of them boy and them girl talk about them want work. I know 2 car wash right now where them put up. Washers needed. 2 car wash me know. Washers needed. And no boy and no girl don't want to go wash no car. Some of them come for 1 day or 2 days and then left. They don't really want no work. Because them no want nobody see them a wash car. I heard them a say too hard. So them brother go up on phone and say them a bang the line. Some man are dead for hungry. DJ Whistle! Some man are dead for hungry. Me I tell you no because you don't want to go chop. A chop will never get chop up. And everybody cut out to be a chopper. Some man have to go work hard. But when they depend line about hi, this is ring, hi, this is and all I need to go work for. Everybody is important in the sight of man. Everybody is important. Because the car washers is very important. And them keep your car clean, man. Vacuum it out and wipe it down, hammer it down, man, and spray like a spray night, man. When it's important. And if you wash a car good, me I give you a grand. If you wash my car good, you have to get a grand. So you have to get a grand tip there in your pocket. You hear me say? But me I watch the society where we are living right now. Remember this, you know, people who live in Jamaica and have kids that go to school understand this assignment. It is very expensive. Depends on the type of school that you're going to. It is very, very expensive. Some of the books you got to buy, some of them is on rental. And you have to spend money on these things. You have to spend money on these things, me I tell you no. So, all who single right now and know body if you call you know and say this and that, go and live on a life and big up on yourself, because right now it takes a lot to be in a relationship. It takes a lot to be in a relationship. A whole lot. Because everybody wants something. Everyone wants something. Everyone, but what do they want? What do they want from you? Because after the sex done, you know, the sex are going to wear off, you know. I remember your bills them there. You can imagine now you girl lost your man the whole of your throat, down in your tonsil, down in your neck back, all your body, all your game. Hoping say, him a go give you money for back to school for help your youth them. And then him a go tell you, say him a go link you. And you watch school open and him no link you. And you do so much in a one night. You need them rub off, you go and everything. You have all gingivitis in your mouth, you have everything, one focus, everything down your throat. And you don't have nothing to show. Nothing to show. See them way like some of them man here. Them name out the girl house, them name everywhere, every whole pan the girl them name. Just for say boy I'm gonna get the money because him youth want to go back to school. All of this is very serious. This is not, it sound like a joke. I remember say people are come out and tell you no where them are deal with. Kamisha you laugh. These things are the truth. Man, dog, and girl are mixed up right now just for pay bills. And I can tell you this. You say if you don't learn to live within your means from now, because remember enough with a big people. If you don't learn to live within your means, trust me, your pride and your morals are going to throw right down to the gully. A lot of people afraid to wear a white Ains t-shirt like this way, uncle have one wear a night. A lot of people afraid to wear something like this because it have something on it for people say. All if it's fake. Because them live for the public. I know people right now we are 50 and chiller try please people. Chiller still a worry about what people have to say. So what if a long time you don't buy a new pants? So what if a long time you don't buy a new shoes? When you say Alexander McQueen come out and you know say Alexander McQueen have 5 bills up for Alexander McQueen. 5 bills and counting up for Alexander McQueen. So you want to say you want Alexander McQueen, you'll just meet the people in blood clot data. Here's the Jonah Biggs. Just meet the people in data and I come tell her about you want McQueen. And you never buy a McQueen for yourself. You never buy nothing expensive for yourself yet. Everything when you wear are under $7,000. Everything when you wear, Goose Killer sell you your things them. But you want to tell a woman to buy a McQueen. For you tell the woman say, you know, say, I help more the little business. I have this amount of money and I want to turn it over. I want to turn it over. You know what? You know, not only no headspace. Sometimes some woman go to some test and some man go to some test and fail them miserably. Alright. Somebody just say something about TikTok. You know something I like TikTok? I like TikTok because it show you how gullible and licky Jamaicans are. I not talk about the rest of the world. I talk about Jamaicans. TikTok was supposed to be an entertaining place when it just come out like 3 years ago or so. It did out longer than that, but you know, it get more popular in a Jamaica like but 3 years ago. Like when them do the little short video them. See? Now when you look over there, everybody and them mama gone over there. Them gone over there because them say, oh, money I make over there, people will give you and people with this and people with that. People will beg you your body too. People will beg you your body too. So just like how them a give you when them ask you back for your gift, you gotta give them. Me not knock nobody, but me say too much licky over there. And then I want to teach you something. Most of these children have TikTok and there's no parental control over it. There is no parental control because the mama make video and the little 8-year-old make video. Some more predators is over TikTok wide open and waiting for your child as a prey. Because if them a prey upon the big boy them, if them a beg the big boy them batty, why you think say them a go spare your little son or your little daughter? Why you think them going to spare them? Over there is not a safe space for kids. And we are lose the kids them every day. So all I want to we are make TikTok for the pitney. All I want to we are make TikTok and want to make all of them things and send out to the pitney. Them they are at school and now learn and them do every type of, yo, this is a challenge. This is a challenge. Challenge yourself to get back on the morals and get back on the roots. And find back on yourself. Don't let them get carried away in social media. Don't let them get carried away in social media because this is what we are losing to society too. We are losing the younger generation to the whole of this. So you can save your children. My youth them pass the verse, you know. Remember my youth them pass the verse. So we have only look young gullible 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I want to just busy and load them. You see all the game where them play with different people from all over the world where you have to buy the game. I'm glad to my youth them past the stage where me never have to buy no game where them have to use credit card for buy this and buy that. I'm glad to say my youth them past the stage them have that to deal with. God that I want a serious something again. When me little, you know, a big man when him knows it tell me, say, a trade man never out a job. A trade man things might slow for him. But he is always working. He's always working. Either him get a dresser for bill or him get a whatnot for bill or him build a cabinet at the time. Because remember, most of you don't remember what is a cabinet. And break front. And them things that we grew up on whatnot, break front and cabinet. You understand? Or we are lose the generation we are going now to be a foolish. And guess who them a blame? Them a blame artists. Them not blame the app bill, you know. Them not blame all of the people. Remember say them come with all OnlyFans and OnlyFans there. So everybody a come out. Cause one thing, as you show certain things, you get black. The AJ Popsy ranks, big up. Too much easy money. Nobody don't want to work and sweat again. And that a mash way up. Remember this, you know? We sit down and we are live and we are say, yeah man, KFC I sell for $1,400 for 3 piece now. Oh, I want a big deal. Look, Caesar sell for what? Either $12.50 or $13.50. I not even remember. Pizza out pizza. Depends on the size you buy 4 grand feet. And the topping make it raise to more. Right? Remember again, the little curry goat box, them food they gone to 9 bills now. The bigger box them gone to 12 bills now. Right? And the smaller box them gone to 6 bills now. Everything raise. Ground provision raise. Everything raise. Life now go back way. It'll go forward so. And it'll go on and go on and go on. Enough people, them don't have a dollar to save. Enough people don't have a dollar to them name because them live hand to mouth daily. And every year them breed and have a pitney. Just like me see one girl come on TikTok and she play the elephant man and say, girl, you never kill no pitney from. And she had 19 and have 3 kids. And she say, oh, them can't say me kill no pitney. Them can't say me kill no pitney. And maybe that is a goal for her. I mean, I knock her. I wish her nothing but the best. But I'm saying those are not example to be sending out to the youths of today. But again, who will lead them? Remember said a leader and I'm not there again. I'll be a followers about why you think so them have Twitter followers, IG followers. There's no more friends. There's no more friends. You have followers. MySpace did have friends and Facebook did have friends because now you choose who you had. But now people want people to see them now. Now them have some different app where them show you. So when you're married, that's how you go look. And when you and if you have a baby, that's how your baby you go look. Them have some woody app now. Them think that we're fucking up with a test on and a show us. On a very gullible. Anything where them put on the internet, somebody will run with it, and it going to becomes a trend. First and foremost, the woman them are afraid to be them natural self. Because every fucking picture where them put up filter out. Them not put up the natural picture and say fresh face. Them not put up that. Them not put up that. So the woman them, I remember say the woman them supposed to be the leader upon Mother Earth, you know. Remember say them supposed to be the leader for Mother Earth. Brandy, may I have same age, or may I your uncle, and may I have same age. Remember, Mother Earth, we're supposed to be leaders. The woman them are supposed to be God's greatest gift, but the woman them start fuck up themselves and everybody favor them one another. The whole of the woman them now. Just look on it, man, and tell me say me I tell lie, man. Look on it and tell me say me I tell lie. When last you see, you can say, okay, she in a shape good. Or she this or she that. Everybody do up, body do up. We out so. I remember again a slim girl wanted body one. A slim girl, a marker girl wanted body and she got do one big something so. And it looks so fuck up and people tell her say it look good. She don't have no friends. She has no friends. No friends. None. She has no friends. Because all you for wear 125 pounds and you gonna put on a body with big so. Oh, that I go look, you can't even angle it, you can't even walk in it. You can't even walk in it. Do your body, but do it to a way where you can manage it. That's why I tell women, say, listen to me. Uno, you know, Uno is God's greatest gift. Them say woman come from man's ribs. But another man's ribs don't come from. Because the things that we say enough I want to do is like one of the members say Uno is supposed to be the leader. Man is the provider, but woman are the leader. Man are the protector because man's supposed to be the vice. Remember man's supposed to be the vice, and that we forgot. The man them start want to be like the girl them. Man a wear eyeshadow. Man a put on lipstick. Man a put on wig. Man a do everything. And that's how we start lose it. The man them start going like the woman them. You hear me say, man? And a woman cause that. Cause you don't allow it. Remember we uno allow it, no. Woman, me always tell you say woman a uno. A uno. Uno see it on the internet. How them go on more than uno, or man a go on like say them more than uno. Big competition uno and man in a. How uno alright and take it. Uno alright and take it, you know. How uno sit down and take it, you know. Uno sit down and take it. Uno female sit down 3,000-4,000 now uno sit down over there. By any one of them page, we are going with the excitement them where Uno normally would have gone with. How Uno them take that from them take on the tracing, them take on the dressing, them take on the man. Look how much thing them take from Uno. Uno have nothing left but a blood clot rose. You know say a rose them going to play with no pussy. Uno so Uno not get no fuck again. Them make Uno fall in love with a battery. How Uno cause that? Uno woman. Them left Uno with a rose where we use battery. Everything them take from Uno and Uno cause that because Uno entertain it. Uno entertain that shit. I feel good. I wanna still not realize I lose and I lose. Lose and I lose. Oh, me I'm a rose, I'm gonna need no man. I'm gonna need no man. But yet still when something out there and you can't reach it, you need a man. Yet still something big and heavy, you need a man. Uno are the cause of most of the changes we are going right now. Uno is the cause. Because Uno never take no stand. Uno never take no stand. Alright. When me talk about changes where I come, what if people on the internet and talk about the changes, but Uno not see it? You know, say, the first thing them use and test Uno and win was Alexa. Them use Alexa and test Uno and win. Everybody, don't go fully Alexa in your house. Don't forget to do things manually. Don't you ever forget that you must not do that. Alexa, turn on fan. Alexa, light the stove. Alexa, what time is it? Alexa, turn on the TV. Alexa, set water to this and that and that and that. Alexa, run on the yard. I only forgot to say when power out. I don't remember what you do. Remember saying, brother, a robot them are bringing in now for liquid everything, you know. So pretty soon you not have no work, you know. All the heavy lifting when man used to do, you know, them have a robot to do that. I want to see that testing right in front down the eye, I want to still not see it. Remember them thing you go a long time from Will Smith coming and one show, you know. Will Smith starring in one movie like this, you know. Will Smith, what the movie name where Will Smith is coming out? iRobot, it name? iRobot. iRobot. You have to remember how to do things and the woman them to get up and start do back things and stop going like one just good for wine pan cocky alone. You have to know something better than this. And not just wine pan hood alone and push the lane on the wall. You have to remember say, you a woman. You have to remember you know. So, everybody will still go to school to learn a trade or get a skill, have a skill because you're going to need your skill. Because they're going to only start apply skilled workers. Skilled workers. You hear me say? Skilled workers. And I know this. You know. Most of them don't care and that's okay. And that is okay. I just start me attack, because I soon come off. But remember this, I don't want nobody come talk about a true Richie that chat. Because all I want to say the truth. The truth is there and it's been proven. And it does come. It does there and come about. Remember again. Woman has become the provider now. Woman used to be the caregiver. We stay home with the picnic them and or she go work and she come back and cook. Now, them days they done. Woman a go work or provide and just say, yo, you know, say, I don't really want a man, you know, alright. They say, check most women right now, them tell us them single and them depend on the man thing. Most of the women, them have a woman that suck them pussy. Them not in a nothing with the man. I remember them can rent all the man if them want, you know, because everything up for sale right now, you know. Remember, say I forgot no people forgot them something there. I say, I'm telling you, say, don't lose on the roads. Not for afraid for even all walk. Sun too hot, on afraid for walking a sun, and remember for walking a sun, and not dead for AC. I remember say we used to walk in a sun from here so to way down in one place. And I forgot, we forgot. Come on, people. Remember, say COVID still not showing say them can lock we down at any time. Remember, we just sit in a way hard and I sing song about board in the house. Much people divorced, you know, much people left from COVID coming. You know, much family break up just because COVID come in and show you say the man who did there, they never did really like him. You hate him dirty blood clot because you never know so him nasty. Because it's like other things they did if you occupy your time, you could have go out and come in certain time when him asleep or when she do this. You never know say that girl who did there would never like bed. So people just see COVID show you say the world did have to stop for you see who you're there with. For you see people you have around you. COVID did have to come. So when I look on COVID as a bad thing, but it enough good come out of COVID. Enough good. You hear me tell you, man? And right at the place open, close people come out and I'm magling again same way. Close and nothing in a man. I'm telling you, man. But again, that them use because fashion. Because them say fashion can't ration, you know. Because them tell you say you never know yourself until you're back against the wall. Amount of people back against the wall and I'll know them still don't know themselves. You hear me I say, man? And I tell you something. And I straight from the conversation because I don't know me talk about everything in a one. Just spin round so. Some of you females, I talk about one first. I talk about the males and I talk about the female. Some of you females wanna entertain a man on and off. Like a man a look on you give the man a number. Then you have a change of heart because you say boy I don't love on the man, I don't know this on the man. But through back to school I come now. All of a sudden, when I call down the same man where you say you don't want. The same man where you say you don't want. He should help you with back to school. While you say you live with your man, you know. You live with your man. So how if you live with your man and still struggle with back to school? Oh, let it make sense. Just let it make sense. You live with your man. That's my man. And you are struggle with back to school. You don't get nothing for the pitney them yet. So I better you just tell the man, say you sell him one, forget where you get. I better you do that. Somehow no man, I better you just tell a woman where you deal it. Cause enough of the woman them are vulnerable, you know. Them just reach a certain age where they must say, boy, you know. Them want a little man. And the little man, when them want happens to be you come them way. And what you do? When the woman go uptown Mondays and Bossy Tuesday and put table of foot. On a good day, you never have no blood clot table at your foot. You dirty blood clot. Man, you want to see you. Man. Because you want man see you have table at your foot. And not even the woman you want them see you with, you know. You want them see you have table in front of you to big you up in a dance. And when you're done, you try to tell people, say you know one big neck peg. Have the big woman fly down. Come for have a vacation if I even a resort. You don't want to go on a resort during regular time, but you want to go a dream weekend and you want to go best weekend ever. You dirty blood clot. Someone get opportunity and still don't know what opportunity look like a pussy clot. On the go. You hear me say, man? On the go. Because I never get up and blame the woman them and say, what them a pick the wrong man. Or she ever know who are the right man. She not have to take chance, man. Woman go to and give all her credit card. Woman all pay all your rent. Jesus Christ. Woman all pay all your rent. You have a nice car to drive. And you just sit down all you have to do is put some cocky on this woman when she come and pay her some attention. And when you come to Jamaica, you fuck it right through all in the night, you 3 times a day. Make sure you fuck it. And if you don't fuck it 3 times, fuck it 9 morning and fuck it 9 night. Fuck her till she doesn't sleep and go so. You fuck her and mother. You don't want to do that. You want to go a blood clot party and put buckle on table. And you and blood clot 6 friends out. And everybody want to turn in a Dan. If you like a sudden thing up. Dan know if you make money. You don't know if you make money. Dan know if you make money. Come in. Dirty blood clot. Uno a try impress man and not try impress the woman. Woman uno fear impress and not try impress man. Remember say the man them know you know. Cause remember be a fake or not fake it you know. No fake down no close them you know. On the fake down the clothes them. Real people know. People who have money don't even dress up. People who have money will have on a shirt like this and this a shirt they have value at $300. And you just think it's a simple white t-shirt. But the name in the back call all one name from way over Paris. From way over Paris. Way over Paris. I go on a easy getaway out of this. All of the women them, where they are foreign or they are Jamaica and you're financially stable and feel like say you want a nice man. Stop take man we are telling us say them hungry and them not eat from morning. Those men are not for you. That come like you're an adoption agency. So if you want to change what's going on and choose the right man then. Since you say, yeah, look, the right man, stop, take man where I tell you, say, him soap done in him house. You hear? Stop make the conversation just be about when him hold you, be a fuck him, I gonna give you. Be a fuck him, I gonna fuck you, so fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Because those conversations are what everybody can use. Listen to his constructive conversation them. Listen if him can hold a good conversation. Just listen to him talk. Listen to him talk. If you are gonna fuck a boy, we say one at a time. One at a time in a rat bat. One at a time this and that. That's not for you. You can't be 40 years old and make a man tell you say one at a time. What you mean one at a time? Because you go and wonder what you mean. Don't talk to man, we talk to you in codes and slangs. We have to explain out what you mean when him say that. Because sometimes some of these guys don't know what it means. So you now have to change up that. Listen to the conversations. And again, don't listen to no guy where bring money come like him have money. Because you know say you can't pay for your own food. A guy who have money now going to tell us that them have money. Because real rich people don't tell us that them have money. Your sister them have money. I want no hungry girl. Stop feel like say true the man look like him have money. You want 6 of your friend them want carry him up a marketplace up a farmers where you never go yet. And you don't know if you order up on the menu because them now fried chicken or oxtail. Get to know the man one-on-one. Stop invite your friend because most of the time your friend will take the man. Because like oh you bring your friend for someone going to name him out. Your friend go and find out what is in Instagram handle and send him a DM. And two you go hear say oh your friend talk boy and your friend tell him this and I friend this and friend that. Learn to have one-on-one and everybody if you know who you talk to. You don't love run go make friend meet man too much. Some want to dash on the blessing and want not even know. Some want to sing about my day soon come. I want to day come and pass a night now. Dirty blood clot. Move. Your blood clot. Interjuice and interjuice. No come juice me. But interjuice. So no can't say me never want to know. Can't say me never want to know. You cannot say me never want to know. You get to know the person you want to talk to for yourself first. Get to know. Listen to the conversations. And let me tell you something. If you go through a breakup, give yourself time to heal. Now entertain the man where I tell you say you're beautiful and you're pretty and you're this and you're that and you're that. You know say you're pretty. And then someone lack so much self-esteem and confidence. That's someone can't help it because from when you're young when I go through it. I remember saying I knock on for no self-esteem. I'm not knocking on. Someone have some very low self-esteem. Low cherry, hold tight. I don't know how I go on. Someone who used to dip on my internet every day when I come on live. I not so like when I get like I show me come on tonight. I not so a long time now. I run on like all the boy president music. Run on. I'm gonna see how long and you come on boy ladies like when they be my friend. I'm gonna look on the boy the page and say if you don't like him. Them not like you. You dirty blood clot. How do I feel about a woman calling her man? Then your man supposed to be your best friend, girl. Misha, your man supposed to be your best friend. Your man supposed to be your best friend. Let me tell you this. Me and my woman want to sit down and chat her and her friend them. We are going to chat the people them at work. We are going to chat every mix up where we see. If you can't talk to your man, who are you going to talk to? Who are you going to talk to? Your man supposed to be your best friend. And him if you sit down and lavish with, I want to hear the mix up. What you say about that dirty girl now? What you say? Who she shot now? Over cocky she suck? Me in tune with everything what's going on. Me want to know. Some man have 30 best friend. What you do with 30 best friend? And some of people you share things with. And so that means someone just want to come like an auditorium where everybody just come in. Your significant other should be your best friend. Secret entrepreneur. As what I say, I understand about the vulnerable thing, but you have to give yourself time to heal. If you go through a breakup, you give yourself time to heal. Give yourself time to heal, because if you take a next man right away, when you go through something, it not going to work. Because this man, you not going to understand what you deal with. Sex not going to solve nothing. It just make you feel good for the moment, and then you're gone back right down in where you come from. You're gone back right down in where you come from. I'm telling you, we not knock no woman. Remember, we love you, I want to feel like, man. Lolo, me not hear nothing move. We not knock nobody. Remember, me tell you this, I'm telling you, man. Remember, say, God bless the rest of my mother's soul. Me never say a man love my mother yet and go all out for my mother, Me never say that yet, Me never say a man go all out for my mother yet. Me never see that yet. So when you hear we attack, we not attack from a bitter place. We just attack from a place of clear and cleansiness and realness. Because we have to be real if we are be real. You hear me say, man? We have to just be real with yourself and be true to yourself. And my mother is a woman who goes up a man love. And she love all. If she there with a man, she go all out for him. But me never say a man go all out for my mother yet. Me never say a man go all out for my mother yet. And again, month don't have nothing to do with people. Month don't have nothing to do with people. Month has nothing to do with people. Oh, she born July, so she this and she that. Everybody has them fault. The month what you born don't have nothing. Sometimes some people have the same trait, them where, that's them connecting a certain thing. But no two people are the same. Not even twins are not the same. Genetics might look alike, but them think different. 7 brothers, 7 different mind. So, we not gonna come on and gonna make it look like we perfect. Then we not vulnerable to woman too. They must say woman is vulnerable. Then man not vulnerable too. Man get hurt by woman and just feel certain way where him just feel like him can't find the right woman where him look for. Every woman just come take him for a ride. Fuck pan him, breathe pan him, do all kind of things pan him. Remember, we always talk about what a woman go through. What about what a man go through? You ever read some man hear how much things them do for woman, hear how much things woman do them? Worse when some of them is at their weakest. You want to hear some man's story? When a woman go look in a man's face and tell her, say, you worthless blood clot, I don't know what I do with you, Waste time with you, you have to go your dirty worthless blood clot. Go ahead, I rate you. I'm a man, I want to bring in if you come out here. You know how much man go through that? Him not get no love. Him don't know what it is like to be loved. All him know if he do a go work and him still not get blood clot nothing when him go work. Come in with the money and put it down and take care of all 6 people when I fee him. So nobody make it look like a woman alone vulnerable. Enough of we man have good heart. And give a good heart to the wrong blood clot woman. Enough of we feel that pain and sorrow there. What you mean? What I say? Enough man are suffering in silence right now. Enough man boy are suffering in silence. No long woman no look on him and say, I love you, Love how you take care of the family, I love how you take up my youth who are not even year one. She watch all the youth, they are disrespect him and I say, remember you're not my father, boy. Remember you can't lick me, you can't put your hand on me, because you're not my father, You know how much man I go through that, and I hit the bed where him sleep and it's not him father, but it's him father, they have a blood clot like him. And the man where be him stepfather for blood clot, how much years him a disrespect. And the mama stand up and make that happen. So, I don't want to make it look like, say, man no go through things. Enough time when they there with someone and I wonder, oh, the man a deal so rough. I way him go through, but we don't give him a chance to open up because once a man open up, we say man weak. I tell people come suck me. I'm not weak. You hear me I say, man? We have to remember a two sides to the coin. Woman hold one part and man hold one part. Them say man was made to suffer, you know. And woman was made to feel the pain. Man was made to suffer. So have mercy on a good man. Enough man have a dream and a vision. All him need is a little help for somebody else. Just push him. Remember me telling you this, you don't have to have enough money, you know. All you have to have is good encouragement. Encourage the man where you're there with. Tell him how you're proud of him and how you believe in him. Love him from a good place. Don't love him for get back something. Because nobody don't know who are going to change from where or switch from where. Nobody don't know who are going to do that. No one knows. So we have to take chance. Enough people, me hear say people do them all kind of things and me not help nobody again and me not do to nobody again and me not whatever again and where and you have to understand because of what people do them and what them go through. And I say, Richie, me did have a girl and me did have go through it with. From me the word, me never ask you to do it. Every woman after she me meet strong. Woman, me no want to hear nothing unless me see realness. Here, him say him take care of a woman and do everything fair and him and her jump off. I remember woman know what to do for kill her ego, you know. Woman know what to do for kill her ego. And now you hear everybody tell about them not love again. Nobody don't know when them are going to love again. Because if somebody come and you feel a way about them, you're going to love. Because your heart does start changing, your mind start changing, your thinking start changing. You realize, okay, what you do, you try to feel like that person, yeah. You try your best and say, yo, I don't depend on the love thing and you know. But you just feel your stomach start feel away, your body does start feel away. Because the person they start make you feel back how you used to feel about people. So one person put a bitter taste in your mouth and then somebody else put sour water in your mouth. And somebody else just come and say, you want me to pit in your mouth too. You dirty whore, I can spit in your mouth. And lick your chip with a big stone. But that's so life go. Don't say you not love again. All you hear people say them lock off them heart and this. And once that person they come, because so life deal with we, you know. Life deal with a certain way more time. We can't change it. I'm telling you, man. And when we attack, we not talk like, we don't know something like we are tell. Man say the worst kind of woman for have are the ones who love attention. Can never please them. And you will never truly have them heart. No, I'm not going to agree upon that. Every good woman wants attention. Because our relationship go, man wants attention too. Every good man wants to feel like they're wanted. Every man wants a feeling like I'm the king in the palace there. You come and a woman and cater to you. But some of them women submit and be submissive to some blood clad worthless cocky man. Because she have to still do everything. She can't even call upon him for blood clot change or car tire. Not even a tire him can't change. When you say attention, you know, woman love attention, but you have to just be specific. Some woman want attention from the world. So she don't want no attention from you. She want the world for you to see her. So everything she do, she want people to see her. Woman who is looking at attention, post a picture and it gets 60 likes and she take it down and say, oh, 1,000 people, they put me something and 60 people alone like this. Me I take it down and put it up back. That's the attention seekers them. Oh, I have to do my ear for go shop. Shop she are going and she have to do her ear. She can't make nobody see her having a bad ear day. She can't make nobody see her and she have on her yard slippers. She can't make nobody see her that way. So she's not being herself. You understand? So just so you have to look on it. Some people seeking attention from the wrong crowd. If your woman crave attention from you, give her. Because once you stop craving your attention, you get what you don't get. Once you stop complaining, say, when you just meet her, when you used to have sex all 4 times a week, and now 1 time a month when I have sex, and she a complain and a complain and a complain. Gemini say, why sit around and watch woman so much? Gemini, Gem, what you mean? When you say watch woman so much, tell me more about that. What you mean when you say watch woman so much? Before me give me a comment on that. What you mean? Remember say a woman will crave you. She not busy if your nose big so. She not busy if your mouth big so. She not busy if your head big like Waff Dog. She want. You are fear Prince Charming. You are fear Shrek. You are fear everything. You she a deal with. You are fear Rose in the garden. You she a deal with. Anytime you see that start change and you want to pick up on it, it's got too late. Because remember say, when you say a woman stop get vocal and say certain things, because once you start talking, it turns an argument. Yo, you love argue too much and argue, she tell you what you're not doing. And I always tell people this. The woman where you call your woman in your yard, or wherever she there, even if you don't live together, you have to always make sure say she alright. Because you could have talked to 900 girl. Always make sure say the woman where you claims as your woman where she, you have to make sure she good. You have to make sure, remember, gifts alone not going to work. Attention, communication. Sex is the most important thing in the relationship, but sex is not all. Because no care how a woman love you, she's not going to want your hood if it's soft. So if you see the woman and mix up all of the green juice, them and it's something them for you, and she kind of slip or something in your something where you say, I don't like that because it's too bitter, I good, it good for you, she want to change you out. She want to make your hood get so. Because she tired for you fall up hood and play with it. Woman tired to suck your soft food. Woman tired to suck your soft food. So you have to take care of yourself. The woman want the best for you. Why is it we woman do everything for our man, for our first man, and want to come tell you the new man that she not do it, and yet she want wife treatment? You want different conversation now, yeah? You want different conversation now, yeah? You know? Ladies, stop carry all drama into your new relationship. Stop compare your last man to the new man we are going to take now. That's going to cause problem. That's going to cause problem. Please, me I beg you, don't do that. That's going to cause problem. It's going to cause problem. Don't you ever tell a man about your next man you did do this team and you not make no more man come do this. You gotta run the man. Because you don't know what the other man. If you hear him come and talk about him other woman. If you hear him talk about him other woman. You're not gonna like that. Him woman, him ex-woman. You're not gonna like that. So why would you show your ex-man in his face? Don't do that shit. Where we lack we man lack it and you ladies lack of it. You're lacking to listen. We are lacking to understand also, because we have to listen to understand. Ask what you mean. Let's communicate and let's say we not do this and we not do that. President Music. Go on off on my page, no man. A long time I don't see upon one of my live them, no man. Go on, man. Because you're going to make the woman them turn for you now. You're going to make the woman them turn for you now. Stop look the attention then, brother. Because right now, attention that you seek right there, so you know. I'm just talking about attention seeking, and you're there, you come and prove my point. Maybe stop educate the woman them because you like full woman. Come on, youth, man. Big man like you. Big man like you, you know. Attention you seek now. You like full girl. Oh, you want a full girl, brother? You know, see them a beat there now, me did warn you. Y'all them say you wood soft, brother. See girl I'm a cussing, I wanna tell you say you wood soft there. You cause that for yourself now in a soft food. What about woman that don't want to let go of her ex-man cause him have money and say they are just friends? Bumbo clot, here the next one you know. Watch them now, people. You're there. The man say, somehow, no, nah let go off on the ex-man cause him have money. But brother, it have to be a reason, you know. Sometimes, you know, a man and a woman can left and them can still be cool, you know. Because I respect, you know, and the way how them left, you know. Because sometimes some relationship mash up and it bitter. Where the people them can't be friends nor like them one another. You understand? But certain relationship, some woman make a mistake and the man left them and them a try everything to get back to the man. So they must say, boy, I'm a friend and I'm a friend. And then sometime every now and then the man will have the money will come hide and give them a one broke, but the man don't want them. So you got a problem with man like with woman like them there. So it's better you leave her alone. Because you never got a problem. Because if she tell us her ex and she and him a friend and whatever, you and him, from she can't show you the respect there. And then if you got insecure, because I'm not insecure, you know, I leave people for be them way. Easy. Original youth called Flimmer. It does all depends on how the relationship end. Because you have sometimes people grow apart. Alright, Anika. It does all depends on how the relationship ended. You see me? No, I'm not talk about that lava. That go in a movie and hang out something. I don't know about, I don't know about that part there. Just a fuck or relationship are two different things. If you and a man did have a fling and him used to put on to fuck by you, or you and him did actually in a relationship for 4 or 5 years and things like that. You know, don't know. Are two different things that. Move your blood clot President Music and move your blood clot. The girl them say wood soft. Move your soft food blood clot. Your dirty blood clot. But otherwise up the girl them. Them not hear what me I say. I just start me attack. And I'm going to tell you something again. All of the female them say every woman mouth of them strength. But once you say you there with a person and them can use certain words to you. From them can use certain disrespectful words to you, them not really rate you and then blame it upon ignorance. Certain things are supposed to come out of your mouth to tell your woman or tell your man, you're not supposed to say certain words. Certain words you have to think about cuss to bring 2 words. If you see say it get out of hand, better you stop. Better you stop. More than go say the derogatory things them and then 2 twos. Man say you this man him want kick you and thump you and do all of them something there. Come on. Me not into that. I mean me not go agree if the man a kick down the woman and thump down the woman. I'm not doing that. Me not support that. And no found have some abusers where you alright with the lick them and the thump them pound the leg and the thump them in on the side and you alright with them something down if you play hypocrite on a friend them. Because remember now, you no found out figure work when you not get the thump them in on the face again, you not get the thump them pound the leg. So now if you wear bare tights and bare blood clad pants. Because man a beat you and I tell you say look what you make me do, or you make me do this in a girl. From you allow a man to put him on by you the first time. Yeah, make him do it the second and the third time. Come on, Sha. A man can call him bitch if you not in a bed or do him something. But out a road so and him something there and my bitch you up. No, when you not have sex, him call you whore. You whore. You dirty piece of whore. And call him whore. And him bitch. And them something there. Cause he and him a go on and fuck nice. And him a go on with a crocus bag of thing. Would you go back in a relationship with your wife? No. 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 Hey. Watch. If your man cocky dead pan him one time, don't take it short in him face in an argument. You will kill the relationship then and there. Buckler. Secret entrepreneur. With all due respect, how me know so much details about body beating. My name is Richie Feelings. Just like on the day you listen to me now, a lot of females confide in me. And me and them talk one-on-one a whole lot of times. I know a lot of things. Oh, I know them because females tell me this. I'm a good listener, so I'm like their therapist. I'm always a good listener, so they tell me all of these things. Remember enough woman me know, just like how you know me, and sometimes I say some things. I want to say, John, or Richie talk about my life. I want to feel like you don't want to message me. You want to message me. You understand? So that is the reason why I know and remember say enough of them things are coming and movie also. So if your man beat you up on your leg and abuse you and you don't want to dig off left him, God go with you. So when I just know say me that I always have things to tell you now. Who this come on and I say fuck you. This come like a somebody. They say the name here. True Man Taylor. This is not a woman. This is a bitter man come on. True Man Taylor. I don't unite with you tonight, you know. Where's that? Me need another wife? Me have enough wife. What kind of other wife me need? Remember when you talk too much truth, you know, people don't want to hear that, you know. Somebody are going to run on, you know. But when I go cuss down about it tonight, I'm not going to do it. I'm in a lovely mood. It's a good day to celebrate. Because you don't know what day I was 45, you know, yesterday was my birthday. You understand? And I live, I wake up to see it. All of my ligaments, them I work and, you know, everything I work. Give thanks. You hear what I'm saying? So people don't have to just live on the life every day. Don't wait till you don't get sick. You don't talk about you don't want to live. Always appreciate how you live. And try to make your life better each day. Stop sitting down and worry about things where you can't control. Because that's one of the biggest problems. We sit down and fret and worry too much. Everything we have on a jar. Remember, nobody now come save we now. We have to save ourselves, you know. Yo, you not tell me happy birthday. Yo, I could send you a cash app and I'm going to send things come give me for my birthday. Because I not beg on you, know. Send something come give me for my birthday. Send something like how my birthday. Like how my birthday, you send something come give me. And I beg me, I beg. Because I not going nothing for put on. That me I tell you right now. Zine? But as what me I say, enough time, we sit down and I worry about some things. We need to sit down and stop worry. You hear that one here? Remember say, when I beg nobody nothing, you know. But just put it up. When I beg nobody nothing, remember, I'm not hungry. You know, so I'm big and fat. I'm not hungry. So you know, we're there on the live every minute, and the first thing that you say, you see me, I tell nobody to give me taps and roses. Eh? If I hear me come on and tell them, say, I want to assist me with this, or assist me with that. I remember some Richie feelings this when I talk to you. I face this thing on the internet, this. You dirty blood clot. You go on so good until you start talk the wrong thing. After you're there, you tell me, say, a woman mad you and go yard. You hear me a begging a lion? Eh? You hear me a tell you, say, send me a lion? Move your blood clot. Say, all my wife, Nikki, just come on there. Nikki, my wife. Tell them people, you say me no hungry, yeah? Because he might go like say me I come to him and come ask him for nothing. Like I want a rose. A girl will give rose. Like me I tell us if you stop on rose. You just attack a back a thing in the conversation. And just say put up a cash up. Like me I tell us if you put on the pan it. Move your blood clot. Me beg you anything. You know how this? Ask about me. Just ask how name Richie feelings, yeah? You will feel all me right now and talk about it. I'm going to put my hand down my throat and vomit it in front of you. And show blood clot back your money where you pay for the food and tell you suck your mama. You know me? You can't stay there. You know how it's me, youth? And blood clot stay there. Don't fuck yourself. You know who is Richie? University, my daughter go and graduate, you know. Then I can have my big university, big manager daughter. And the internet I go like me a dead for hungry. Eh? My daughter. When I eat that. Come like when you remember who name Richie feelings here, man. Come like me have to go on a reminder. But you don't know. That's why the woman them say, you know, out soft and lick on make on the ball. Easy. One hold tight and make sure you hold tight, lad. Nikki, I got news for you. Done me done the day in Nikki. Lulu Cherry. Nikki come check me know what she want. Fed up on the man, them way and I'm just sitting around. We about one go under, that I know we learn. That me I tell you, man. I saw you. I saw you. No, me have my Atlanta Nicky. And me have my New York Nicky. I'm full of Nicky. I don't know me send Nicky go to school. Nicky gone a man yard. Any man, anything we do, answer Nicky do. Why Nicky wine, Nicky wine? And twist, Nicky twist, Nicky twist. I'm ball out. That crocus bag, I think it's 17 scandal bag right back at that. What evil that build me up? Can't go back where they came from. Nicky, you gone a man yard. Done me done it there, you know. Done me done it there, you know, Nicky. Anyway, done no me love the whole of you. All of you my wife. All of you my wife. I love the whole of you. Done no, make sure you take care on the front. Don't make the man come tell you so you have tree smell. All of the man them make sure you take care on the wood. Don't make the girl them come tell you so the wood smell stink. And make sure you take care of the mouth. Take care of your smile. Make an appointment with the dentist. Take care of your mouth. People invest in your mouth. Take care of your teeth them. Take care of yourself. Looking at the mirror upon yourself and examine yourself. Spend the money upon your smile. You hear me say? Take care of yourself. Nobody not coming to take care of you. Take care of yourself. Brush your tongue. One them we have in weight name there. The one them we have in the way you call it, we bore them tongue. The one them we bore them tongue, make sure you take out the ball out of your mouth and change it and scarl it off and all of them something there. Because them things that we make one have bad breath too. Y'all will pierce them tongue. Make sure you wash your tongue and take out the ball and wash the ball. You understand? Take care of your mouth. Take care of your mouth. You have to take care of your mouth. That me I tell you now. Take care of the mouth. Proper hygiene is a thing where you don't know. People OCD in everything. Any part where you bore, clean it. Clean out your ears. Clean out your ears. You can't want girl or man to push them tongue in your ears. And your ears want clean out. You can't look in it and see something that come out of your ears. You have to take care of your ears. Ladies walk with a little wife sitting on the bag and a little something them. You know what I mean? When you say what go on for the bleach of them, when I meet them brown. When I see them online, them black. I want to go on the bleach of them cranny like, make you have not something a girl from bleach because you don't know some of them have to upkeep the thing. Them have to upkeep the thing. Don't know like a ting-a-ling-a-ling and when the school bell ring, you know? Knife and fork a fine for dumpling. Boyaka for shabarankin. Shabarankin take a chip there for another mansion. Give me on fleek self tell them to bathe and not use no wipes. Yo, God no. President Music said tell them to stop eat jerk chicken before them go make love to the girl them. Cause the pepper burn out the girl them pum pum. Ladies, when you hear that man I say? You know what? What me do people, man? Yo, what me do people? That was that. No, sir, done me done it, no. You know what's that? What me do people, man? Want to cool more time, you know, man. You know what's that? I'm say our time now. Done me, I done do it now, you know. Paper. Tomorrow I come check on you. I have to dig off the phone here now. Have a nice night.